chicken.
But first we have to clean it, okay?
Yeah.
So y'all can't see me because I'm taller and the video is focused on Soraya. But you focus. So Soraya wants to help me cook today. So Muno has to clean chicken. So I don't think 4 is too young. Well, I'll pick it up. I don't think 4 is too young for you to start introducing your child to the kitchen.
Mine are both chicken.
So we look rough.
Look at it. Is it beautiful or not?
So
It's beautiful.
we look rough. So don't excuse how we look. But I'm cooking dinner early and getting it out the way. But I'm just going to show Soraya how to clean drumsticks. Okay? Okay, I'm going to show you first. So drop a comment down below. Let me know how you guys clean your chicken. So with me, I take the chicken and sometimes I leave the skin on, sometimes I don't. But I take off all the gooey, slimy stuff. Wait, Soraya.
Is it your turn?
Yes, are you watching how I do it? So I take off all the gooey, slimy stuff.
Yes, please subscribe.
Good. Are you going to do the next one? All right, now you do it. Pull the skin back. So while Soraya is cleaning that chicken, so while Soraya is cleaning the chicken, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what else is on the menu. So we have red skin potatoes boiling. And she's obsessed with eggs. And I put a little bit of garlic salt with some parsley in the water while they boil. And see, we have some sweet peas. Now, what I put in my peas, I put some garlic salt. I put some, Original Blend Miss Dash. And I put some bacon bits, and I put a little bit of onions in there, some water, and some paprika. That's what I use to season my peas. And then when...
I did it, guys.
Let me see your chicken. Show me your chicken.
This one.
Yeah, show it to him. So we're going to put some paprika on it.
Yeah, purple on it.
No. This is not purple. What color is it?
Red.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to let her put non-salty seasonings on food. So go ahead, Sting, add some paprika to the chicken. And I put paprika on everything.
Want me to go?
Go ahead. Knock yourself out. And while you add in that, I'm going to add a little garlic salt. And we got about like 8 pieces of chicken in here, so don't think we ODing with the seasoning. And next we're going to add some parsley.
Yeah.
Go ahead. You got it? Good job. Get it, girl.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Add a little bit more.
Ooh, can I pop it?
Pop. You got it? And mix it up. Like this, Johnny. We gotta mix all that chicken together. And mix some seasonings on it. Okay. So I'm gonna add a little.
Yeah,
I'll add this.
I had to do it.
No, I can do it. I'm gonna add a little Montreal Steak.
Yeah.
And even though it's steak seasoning, y'all, this stuff is bomb. It's so good. Add a little bit of that. It has so much flavor. It's just great. And the reason why I won't let her add it is because it has a pepper in it. Yeah. And I don't want it to be like OD spicy.
Yeah, OD spicy.
We don't want it to be what?
I don't want it OD spicy.
your roll. Sew your roll, sister. So we just gonna use a regular aluminum pan. And we're gonna place the chicken in there. Well, just hand me the chicken because I gotta lay it a certain way.
I got it.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Okay, maybe you do got it. All right, go ahead. Get another pan. Yeah.
My can wash these dishes.
Oh, yes. You can wash the dishes. So, what I'm going to do is, Shanise isn't going to do this part, but I'm going to cut up some onion and I'm going to put it over top of the chicken.
Yeah.
And
Top with the chicken.
And I'm going to add a little, just a little bit of butter. Give it some of that salt, because I didn't add any salt to it.
Yeah, salt to it, but we need salt. I don't want to see that.
So this is the chicken.
This is chicken. Yeah, we made it right here.
So I'm about to cover it with some aluminum foil, and I'm going to put it on probably like 320.
And look at this.
No,
guys.
probably like 350.
Look at the onions, guys.
Yeah, look at the onions, and we got a little bit of butter.
Yeah.
To my cooking, I used to cook a lot on my Snapchat. I used to cook a lot. But once I return back home, I will be back in the kitchen, and I have a new tripod thing, so I'll be able to get different angles for me to show you guys how I cook my dinners. But I when it comes to my cooking, I don't measure anything. I don't have a recipe. I just do it. And a lot of people used to ask me, like, what do you do? What's the recipe for that? I don't have a recipe. Most of the time, either I'm making it up or I looked at someone's recipe and I make it my own. I love to feed my family. I love the look my husband gives me when he bites into my food. I swear he falls in love with me just a little bit more every time I make him a meal. He's very spoiled. I make my husband's plate. I serve him. He gets the whole shebang. So that's the type of wife I am. My man take good care of me, so I take good care of him. So, but yeah, I love to cook, and I can't wait to, now that I'm growing more with video editing and recording, I can't wait to share with you guys how I cook, okay? So I'm about to mash up the potatoes. We don't have a potato masher thing, but that's why I cooked them for such a long time, because they're just going to fall right apart. So basically, I'm just going to mash them with the fork, old school style. Okay, so here are the mashed potatoes. I do use red skin potatoes, and I leave the skin on. So what I add in my potatoes, I put some parsley. I use seasoned salt, pepper, sour cream, and on a good day, I'll put half and half in my mashed potatoes, but today I just have milk. Now, they are complete. They are seasoned. Look at that.
That looks delicious, guys.
Look at that. This nice homemade whipped mashed potatoes. You want to try it?
Mm-hmm. It's good. Tastes more.
No, you gotta wait. You know what they taste like? But look at them. They look so good. What do you say?
Does she know my name?
Yes, I know your name.
What's my name?
Soraya.
What's it, Gummy?
What's your name?
Soraya Gummy.
Soraya Janice.
Her name.
Well, your dad came up with your first name, and we came up with your middle name.
Oh, cool.
Okay. So this is the chicken so far. Look at this, busting open. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to drain this juice off of the chicken. And I'm going to take a little bit of the chicken juice and I'm going to mix it with some cream of chicken, and I'm going to add a little bit of flour to make it thicker so I can get like a gravy type consistency. Okay, so I've mixed the cream of chicken and some of the chicken juice, and then I'm just going to mix that together, and then I'm going to slowly add a little bit of flour to this concoction. I don't even know what to call it that I came up with. And I don't season this because it pretty much is seasoned from the chicken juice, and the cream of chicken does have its own flavor. So let me see, show you. Can I?
Why are you giving away your cooking secrets?
Oh, I ain't giving away my cooking secrets now. One thing I ain't telling about is my cornbread. You know I make some good cornbread, don't it?
We're not going to tell you guys about that.
Make sure it's fully covered and do it slow.
Juicy, juicy.
Ooh, baby. Make sure you cover all of the chicken.
What are you doing? Like my hair on there too. But yeah, guys, you guys should try my mom's food. My mom's food is good. You also should try her cornbread. If you want the secrets, you will not get them. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the way.
Why are you being so extra? You not tired from school?
No. I hope you guys enjoyed the way this food looked. Why?
You better not pull my beard. My beard make me fangirl.
It's like moist.
You such a hater. That's why I'm gonna take you off the vlog.
Why she gotta be a perfect Parker?
A perfect one.
She being a perfect Parker. She ain't have no like there. You know how people were supposed to like park him.
Who the oldest sister?
Me.
Okay, so the dinner is done.
Oldest sister.
Ooh. Soraya, I don't know how God gonna take you serious with them darn glasses on.
Halloween.
They help you read.
Go